Hello and welcome, friends. Here I am again to bring you more tokens, more meme coins that I think are very good investments. Now, before I begin, as always, I want to clarify that none of this is financial information of any kind. I'm just showing you information, opportunities, and it's up to you to research and do your own thing. Now, having said that, friends, these tokens that I'm going to show you, both of them are on Solana blockchain, because there is, I think, a theme. Meme coins on all blockchains always come in themes and waves. They always have a trend, and for example, we had a cat season trend, right, in the beginning of April. And we're continuing somewhat with that kind of cat season with this one, Maneki, because it's like a cat. But this one has a Chinese kind of Asiatic flavor to it, right? You can already look at it by looking at this text. And this is a very recent one, like extremely recent, just a couple hours, something like that. They are being talked about in some very obscure Twitter feeds, some very obscure calls, all of that. So I thinking that I should, bring some of this information to the public, bring it out to YouTube where no one is talking about. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. So let's begin with this one. So Maneki is the first one that I'm going to show you. As you can see, it stands right now as the #1 hot token on Solana. You can see right here, it has a massive spike. Let's look at the chart. This is, of course, on a 1 hour temporary. So look at this. Yeah, that's massive. That's very big. And this is a very good entry also. So this is very decent opportunities. I'm not talking about making 1000x or any of their bestialities like that, but this can definitely make you some money, some good amount of money, and you can multiply your money by quite a few times. And this is the perfect entry right now, because this is the biggest significant dip that we are seeing. As you can see, this has a very strong push to the upside, right? So this is the very first dip that we are seeing, and I don't think it will go even lower. It could reach these kind of support levels, but that's all I'm thinking it's going to do, even at worst, right? So this is a very good opportunity. Again, it's called Maneki on Solana blockchain. It's very popular right now, as you can see. It's being talked about, and I expect it to be even more popular as days go by, because, like I said, this launch like today. Also, you need to look at the liquidity. Look at this liquidity. Over 10 million. Look at this market cap. And a very good amount of holders. Almost 30,000. So yeah, it's very good. This is as good as it gets, and it's going to get even better. Because, like I said, this is a new trend developing. This is like the first one of the first one I managed to code. And this is, I think, the flagship of this kind of theme, this Chinese trend. I don't know if they are made by Chinese people or whatever, but you can see it's definitely has an Asiatic feel to it. So anyways, guys, let's move to the second one, and this one is called Biao coin. Goes by the ticker Biao. So I think this one was inspired by some meme on the Chinese Facebook, which is Weibo, something like that. So I think this comes straight from China, or Chinese inspired, unlike Maneki, which could be, just a meme with an Asian feel to it. This one actually I think it's from a Chinese meme. So this one, again, this is not as recent as Maneki, but it jumped. This is a big jump. And the days following, in the days prior, and it had a massive peak its all-time high on the same day as MEMECOIN. So that's why these two are called the tokens of the Chinese trend, because these two are the biggest exponents, the biggest standards of this developing trend. Now, as you can see, this is a very good liquidity, almost like 1 million. Obviously not as massive as MEMECOIN, which has like 30 million or something like that, but also has a very decent amount of holders, almost 5,000. So I think also has a very good score on DEX also. Yeah, MEMECOIN looks promising. I mean, unlike MEMECOIN, there doesn't seem to be a significant dip, a good entry right now. But this can only go even higher now on. I mean, like I said, the opportunity to make 1,000x, something like that. Yeah, I think that's already gone, but you can also make some good money, multiply your money, make an X10, make an X20. Yeah, I see definitely potential in this for making that amount of money. And like I said, I mean, with meme coins, you always need to care about the money. You really don't need to care about the project or the community. That's garbage, man. I mean, just focus on the money, get your profits, and get out. That's all. That's it. That's all you have to do. Forget about everything else. And if you like the Chinese memes, whatever, that doesn't even matter. That is irrelevant to this case. All that matters is that you need to make money. And with coins like this that I'm showing to you, they are very good opportunities to make some money. So yeah, guys, like I said, MEMECOIN, both on Solana blockchains. I'm sure you can find them by just typing their ticker. They are basically the only ones of their kind, so there's no confusion right there. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to end this right here. You can kind of a short video. But I think I couldn't let this pass because this looks very promising. This could be a very cool trend. I mean, we could see country theme meme coins or memes from countries starting to become trends on Solana. So yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Comment what you think of this. If you know any more coins of this exact theme, Chinese theme, trend, whatever. I mean, comment below if you know them, if you want me to talk about them, and just drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys.